Good afternoon, good evening. Today is March 10th, 2026. Welcome to the late session, the daily review of Nasdaq 100. Here is traded as US Tech 100 on Trade Nation. So on the daily, we can see that not much happened today. We are stuck where we left yesterday. If we look at the 1 hour bar, we can see what happened. We closed here yesterday at the red line. Uh, we moved up a little bit and tested back. So a pretty small day if we just look at the hourly and the daily. On the 5-minute bar, we can see here we started bar number 1. It was I have marked it with the blue line. So we aimed at the high of yesterday. We reached it, but no buyers up here. Then we tested back low at close of yesterday. No sellers down here. We went up back again, high of yesterday. But again, we found no buyers. So we got a movement down here, 2 strong bear bars. But in this area, it's a little bit like, empty. They are up against a really strong bull bar, as we remember from yesterday, and no one really wanted to sell. And we also have these bars in the euro session, and so we can see here there are tails here, and we didn't find any sellers. So what happened? We got a series of nice bull bars. We moved now. We had this strong close just below low of yesterday, and we moved higher, and we got a measured move up. We went into a trading range. We can see bulls had several attempts to go higher, but didn't make it. Then we got a wedge here, 21, 25, 32, a wedge down, and it was a pullback in the end, and market moved higher. We went back to the top of this trading range, and after a few attempts, we got a leg higher, and here we can see that from bar 33, this is actually also a second leg to this first leg. So now we are up here 200 points after close of yesterday, 250, and we are running a bit out of steam. So bears, they come in, they get 2 strong bars here. They come to the low of this trading range. Bulls are still here. They move it back to the top, but they are weakening, and bears know that, so they sell here. Bulls that were long, they buy lower, they get up here, get out, and then bears get in. And with bar 56, it's a sell below, and bears get a really strong bar. And where do they close? Exactly at opening at the day with the low of bar 59. But we can see bulls are still here. They move it up, and we go into a trading range. But bears, they get a flag here in the last half hour, and they get a pretty good movement down. They can bring it down to they bring it down to close of yesterday, but we can see here bulls are waiting, and they're bringing it up, and to where? To this now famous number 25,000. So if you just look at the daily bars, a small day. If you look at the 5-minute, lot of opportunities. Tomorrow, I think bears are a little bit scared by this strong bar from yesterday. It will be difficult to sell. They will probably attempt it, but most likely is that tomorrow or later this week, we will move higher. We move, let's have a look at it. The daily, we will start to move to up to the top of this trading range. And up here, we'll probably find sellers, but we will move a little bit higher. So thank you for the attention. Thank you for now. Have a great evening and afternoon.